guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today we have another new palette. Can you believe it? So many indie makeup releases are coming out and I hope you guys are just as excited as I am. This one is the latest from Nomad Cosmetics. This is their Pacific Northwest palette. Look at that beautiful cover art. It's textured. It feels really good. The artwork, the scenery is just impeccable. Let's take a peek inside this 18 pan palette full of mattes and beautiful shimmer shadows, duochromes. There is definitely an earthy vibe to this palette. I love the greens in here and I just cannot wait to start creating a couple looks for you guys. This color story is inspired, of course, by the Pacific Northwest. I am looking for my note card because every palette that Nomad Cosmetics produces, it goes to benefit a local charity from which the palette represents. And I'm probably going to have to tell you this in the end because I don't see my note card up here, but rest assured, proceeds from the sale of this palette will go to benefit a local charity. Now, how can you get this? How much is it going to be? This palette is going to drop on Monday, which is September the 29th at 4 p.m. CST. That's a little different from Nomad Cosmetics. They used to launch at nighttime, usually around 11 p.m. CST, but now they're moving it up. It is going to retail for $59 and my affiliate code Steff10 will save you 10% off. Now there's other items that are going to be included with this release. I just don't have those other items. So I was sent the palette in PR. Thank you so much Nomad Cosmetics for sending this my way and I cannot wait to create 2 looks for you guys. Let's get started right now. Okay guys, let's start creating our first look with the new Nomad Cosmetics Pacific Southwest palette. Palette definitely has a lot of green tones and you guys know I love that. I'm wearing a bright orange polo shirt to work today with some black slacks. So I think I'm going to do green. I'm going to keep it neutral and I'm going to start here. I'm going to go down this column. And then I think I'm going to be popping it with this green and this gold shade. We'll see as the look goes from there. But for now, I'm starting here with Pacific, what is this? Pacific Crest. And for this shade, I'm using a BK Beauty N13 brush. The new BK Beauty and Nikki LaRose brush set, round 2, is available now. Actually, I think it's sold out the first day. But I was fortunate to receive it in PR, so you'll definitely be seeing me use it at least once in this video or definitely my upcoming videos. I have 2 brand new palettes for the season that are already on the way. So yesterday I filled with one Top Secret palette. It's a collab palette, that's all I'm going to say. And really cool, really fun. Now today, you guys don't know about this Nomad palette, but it's being sneak peeked already. So today is Pacific Northwest palette. Then I will get into the other releases. I'm so excited. This is the season for all the palettes, and I do not think the indie brands are going to disappoint. Next, I'm going to go into this shade right here. This one is called PNW. And I'm going to take this on a What's Up Beauty R102, tap some off on the brush, and just focus this in the crease. This to me is looking like an army shade of green. Maybe just a little lighter than that. Next, I'm going to go in with this darker shade of green. This one is called Olympic Mountains. I'm using this with a Refer 13. Perfect little brush for precise application, for precision. This brush, definitely one of my favorite brushes. You'll notice I'm putting this more on the lid. But that is a good green gradient there. Okay. I see another shade, this one right here, that could be interesting. maybe just out in here. Yeah, like that. Just something to kind of outline the edge there. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is get my Moira glitter primer, apply a little bit to the lids, and then we'll pick one or two of these shimmers to play with. All right, so next I think I'm going to dive into this one. This just looks so beautiful. I'm using my Morphe M124 brush, which unfortunately I don't think they make anymore, but it's an oldie and a goodie. I'm going to use another shade here on the lid. Just wanted to lay this one down with a little bit of fallout. Okay, I'm going to flip the brush over, and now I'm going to go into this shade right here. Oh, felt some fallout. A lot of fallout. You should probably spray the brush. Okay, there. Look at that. Nice shift in there on the lid. I'm going to pick up a little bit more with my finger of the first green shade and just kind of merge them together right here. Perfect. Look how foiled that looks. All right, let me recreate on the other eye. Okay, guys, I think this is looking fantastic. I'm going to get a little rougher 03. I'm going to apply a little bit of glitter glue right in here. And now let me choose a shimmer. I think I'll try this shade right here. Oh, that's perfect. Clean off that brush, and now I'm going to choose a lower lash line color. And I think I'm actually going to go with this darker shade. Just kind of tight line. All right, guys, I think this look is complete shadow-wise. So I'm going to pop off camera to take care of the finishing touches. And I will be right back to show you the completed look number 1 with this new Nomad palette. Okay guys, so here is the completed look number 1 using this new Nomad Pacific Southwest palette. I loved everything. The lashes I'm using are a stack like this from Shein. And the mascara I'm using is Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. And for the lower waterline, I'm wearing an Epic Wear Smoke Eyeliner. This is from NYX. And this one is in the shade Sage Sparks, one of my favorite colors. So love it. It's green, it's gold, it's reflective. It's really pretty. It was fun to work with. Now let's start working on look number 2. Okay, so for look number 2, I have no idea what I'm wearing to work today. I need to make some decisions rather quickly, but I think I'm going to do something with the blues. So I think I'm going to work on this column first, and then maybe I can sprinkle in this lavender up here, but I'm going to start here with this shade. And I'm taking this on a Singe Beauty E03 brush. Next, I'm going to take the shade right here and run this in the crease, and I'm going to be using a Singe E06. Really nice blues, not intense at all. Very wearable blues. Now on a Singe Beauty E10, going in with this darker blue shade for the outer corner. Although you could leave it like this. I really like the way this looks. But we'll just deepen it up slightly. Going to be careful because I don't want it too intense. Okay, I think this looks really, really nice. I love the blend that I got. For shimmer, I don't know, this lavender really caught my eye, but then so do these shades. I think I want to use this one. Yeah, I'm going to go in with this. And I'm using a damp Morphe M124 to apply. I think that looks really, really pretty. Now what I'm going to do is just touch up that dark blue on the outer corner. Okay, now for the lower lash line, what do I want to do? I don't want to do a shimmer down there, and I know I've used these. Not really feeling this color. This color I think I'm gonna try this one, but I think it might be a little too light. I'm using a Singe E11 brush to apply. Actually, that's okay. This is not bad. I wanted something kind of just neutral for this area. I actually think that worked out perfect. Now for the inner corner, I think I'm gonna grab this shade right here with the same brush, and I'm just gonna spray it with some setting spray. All right, guys, I'm gonna take care of the finishing touches off camera. I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 2. Okay, guys, so here is the completed look number 2. I really like this one. I love the blue. It's just a lot of fun for me. I added the House of Lashes Iconic Light, and I did some LA Girl Neon Shockwave eyeliner in the lower waterline. This one is in the shade Electric, one of my favorites, and just some black eyeliner and Tarte mascara that I used in the last look. I will wear test this look for you guys today, and when I get home from work, I will share with you guys my final thoughts, and I'll just give you my final thoughts at that time about the new Nomad Cosmetics Pacific Northwest palette. Oh, and right here, Sister wants to say hello. Hi, Sister. We'll see you guys a little bit later. Hey guys, so here we are at the 11-hour mark, and this is what the eyeshadow look is looking like. I love it. I got some compliments today. I really love colorful makeup. I love blue eyeshadow, green eyeshadow, and this Nomad Cosmetics Pacific Northwestern palette has all of the shades that I love. It's a really good formula. I mean, look at this. It's intact. It's as vibrant as it was when I applied it this morning. I had a lot of fun with this palette. I hope you guys will too. Those of you that are planning to pick it up, don't forget that it will launch next Monday at 5 p.m. CST. My affiliate code Steff10 will save you 10% off of your order. Let me know if you guys are going to grab this one. Are you going to add it to your Nomad Cosmetics stash? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water. I'll see y'all soon. Bye.